Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video we're going to be making peas, cow peas, cow. I don't know you call these ones in your local language, but yeah. So we are going to be using of course boiled peas. These were dry peas. If you have fresh, much better. We'll need butter, some seasoning cubes, and we'll have dark soy sauce, some chopped onions, some fresh dhania, chopped tomatoes, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. So that's all we are going to be using today. Not much spices, just simple. We just want to have some quick lunch, So I'm just going to have my pot hot, and I'll just add on these 2 cubes of butter that are going to just melt away. So if you see there's a lot of soot coming out, you just reduce on the fire down. So we let this butter melt, and once it's done, before it starts browning, we'll just start on adding our ingredients. So you guys, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please, as the butter melts away, take this time to just click the subscription button, turn your notifications on, and make sure you don't miss out on any of my next uploads. So now our butter is hot enough and completely melted, and so we just add in our onions. If you have garlic, ginger paste, anything else you just want to go in with, do it at this time. So we're just going to let these onions saute and become a little bit more soft, and then we'll just go in with our chopped tomatoes. Now the tomatoes is what is going to make the soup, because this particular sauce today I want to have it with cassava bread, kaloka muogo. It is what is going to make the sauce. You're going to make sure everything incorporates, and then we just added in our tablespoon of tomato paste. At this stage you can see the juices are starting to form, and if you can use grated tomatoes or pureed, much better, because this process takes a really long time. We'll go in with a tablespoon of soy sauce, and then finally our seasoning cubes. We still have some more to go, like 1 or 2. So we're just going to mix this and let it cook on really low heat, because if you put in high heat it's going to burn. So we just want to keep it on low heat until everything is mixed like this. The reason I used chopped tomatoes and not grated or puree is because I wanted it to have some texture, but the other one is going to make everything so smooth and much better, I think. So I will just go in with my forever favorite, black pepper, and I will mix everything up together and let it cook also for some other 1 minute to 2 before adding in anything else. So yeah, like I was saying guys, if you've not followed me on any of my socials, I have Instagram, The Cooking Nurse, Facebook, The Cooking Nurse. Go on ahead and follow, like the pages, and let's interact there also. So now it is the stage where we add in our boiled peas. Guys, I told you these were dry peas, like dry and then boiled down to soften, but if you have fresh peas, I think they would do also much better. They would not peel, and they would not mash up. So once we add in our peas at this stage, we're just going to mix them together with the tomato sauce that we had already cooked, and we're going to let this cook on medium heat and let the peas infuse and take up all the flavors, pick up all the salt, however much the peas were cooked with some salt, so that they don't just taste blunt. And now I just added in a small cup of coconut milk, because I told you guys I'm going to have this with karo or cassava bread. I do not want it to be so loose, so I want it to stay as thick as possible, and I don't want to put in thickeners, so I'll just minimize on how much water I put in and let it cook. And now, like you're seeing, it's really cooked through, you can see now they are now friends. You get the mixture, the sauce down, and the peas, they all look incorporated together. You cannot separate them now. Well, you can if you wash the sauce, but then yeah, this is the stage I wanted it. I don't want to have separate soup and then separate peas. It's like you're looking around for the peas. So once it is all cooked down and it's ready, I will just sprinkle in with my fresh coriander leaves or dhania and give it a mix, and it's ready to serve. Meanwhile, on the other side of the stove, we are making the bread, and everything is going to be ready in a few times. Guys, this was one of those days that I craved something, and I had to, film a bit of it, and I wanted to share with you guys. And this is the final product. This is our cassava bread, and just be sure that we had fun. I hope this video helps someone out there who wants to have the same meal or was planning on making peas today. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Please subscribe, share this video, and give it a thumbs up. Bye.